Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting inside the Instagram app, so open it and sign in. Once done, go straight to the video that currently shows a transcript or captions. Make sure you're on the account that needs the change, otherwise you'll toggle the wrong setting. If you plan to change a global preference, head to your profile next. For a single post, tap the post first. This saves time and ensures you won't miss the correct controls when they appear in the next step. You'll now remove the transcript. For a single post, tap the three-dot menu on that video, choose Captions or Accessibility and switch Captions off. That stops the transcript on that specific item. If you want captions off for everything, go to Profile, open the menu, choose Settings, then Account and Captions, toggle the global captions setting off. You do this so captions stop auto-displaying. It doesn't delete any caption data. It just finishes by refreshing the video or restarting Instagram to confirm the transcript is gone. If captions still appear, make sure the app is updated and clear the app cache or reinstall. This resolves stale settings. Also check your device accessibility captions. Some phones force captions at system level. If that's enabled, turn it off in Settings Accessibility Captions. If you still hit problems, log out and back in. That flushes account level sync and usually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.